Hello everyone, welcome back to sqadia.com. Today, we are back with another video on motor units, summation. In this video, we are going to discuss muscle sensory receptors, muscle stretch reflex, role of muscle spindle, Golgi tendon reflex, and flexor withdrawal reflex. So, let's start our video. First, you need to revise organization of spinal cord. So the cord gray matter is the integrative area for the cord reflexes. Let's discuss the typical organization of the cord gray matter in a single cord segment. Sensory signals enter the cord almost entirely through the sensory roots, also known as the posterior or dorsal roots. After entering the cord, every sensory signal travels to two separate destinations. One branch of the sensory nerve terminates almost immediately in the gray matter of the cord and elicits local segmental cord reflexes and other local effects. Another branch transmits signals to higher levels of the nervous system. That is, to higher levels in the cord, to the brainstem, or even to the cerebral cortex. Each segment of the spinal cord, at the level of each spinal nerve, has several million neurons in its gray matter. Aside from the sensory relay neurons, the other neurons are of two types: anterior motor neurons and interneurons. These are solitary cell. The solitary nucleus receives sensory inputs from visceral organs of cardiovascular, respiratory, genital, and digestive organs. This is corticospinal tract. The corticospinal tract controls primary motor activity for the somatic motor system, from the neck to the feet. It is the major spinal pathway involved in voluntary movements. This is motor route. Motor route allow motor neurons to exit the spinal cord, and these are external basal cells. These all will be discussed later in this video in detail. Now, let's discuss anterior motor neurons. Located in each segment of the anterior horns of the cord gray matter are several thousand neurons that are 50 to 100% larger than most of the others and are called anterior motor neurons. They give rise to the nerve fibers that leave the cord by way of the anterior roots and directly innervate the skeletal muscle fibers. The neurons are of two types: alpha motor neurons and gamma motor neurons. Are you confused about remaining parts? So let me label it for you. This is dorsal root ganglion. These are descending fibers. This is Golgi tendon organ. This is muscle spindle. This is skeletal muscle. This is motor end plate. This is intermediate zone. And this is posterior horn. This was all about this section. In our next section, we will talk about the muscle sensory receptors.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.